today I am meeting with Heather Hanson about her wellness journey. And as a goddess, as a woman, as a mama, we all go through journeys. So I wanted her to share her transformation with you all today. So let us know a little bit about the challenges you faced along your journey.
Well, losing weight has been really hard the past 5 years. I've always been good at losing weight. I go through the winter, gain a little bit of weight, lose it in the summer, but then I fell in love. And, there's a reason they say fat and happy, because you get settled down, you want to cook for your family, you want to tend to them, and just be everything, take care of them. And so I gained like 10 pounds a year.
10 pounds a year, okay.
And fell into a habit of drinking wine. You hang out by the fire, you drink your wine, enjoy your evenings every night, and the next thing you know, you've totally forgotten to take care of yourself, which is what happened to me. And I was drinking a lot of wine, eating dessert every night.
Right. So how did you feel like when you came to that moment and you're like, I gotta change? What was that particular thing that happened, or what did you think, your thought process?
Well, I got really depressed. At the time, I didn't realize I was depressed. I just felt bad. I was blaming everybody for my weight gain, blaming everybody for not having time to take care of myself. So I was playing the blame game.
Blame game. So what steps did you take to start to transform yourself?
Well, before I met you, I started the ketogenic diet, which helped out a lot. I was able to get off the carbs and sugar, but plateaued for 2 months. So I lost 10 pounds, and I gained back a couple pounds, and then lose another couple pounds, and wasn't going anywhere with it.
Right.
So I was high in the dairy and processed meat, still drinking wine.
Right.
And so I just I realized I had to change something more. I got actually deeper into my meditation first.
Yes.
And started asking for guidance. I really wanted to change, but I wanted it to come naturally. And so you showed up.
Yeah. I showed up as a guide.
Yeah.
So what did you start to notice when you were doing my cleanse?
Yeah. So I feel like the supplements really helped a lot, and having the accountability with you and the guidance, knowing what to eat, knowing new ways to cook, that helps a lot.
Right.
When you don't know recipes in your head that are healthy, it's hard to grab something or make something that's healthy if you don't know how to make it. So building my cooking repertoire and learning how to make my dressings and stuff, that helped a lot. And just getting my gut functioning better, getting my digestion functioning better. One thing I forgot to mention is I had really bad heartburn every night too. It would wake me up every night. I would just start choking on the acid and coughing, and take 3 Tums, and that would barely fix it.
Wow.
So I was losing sleep too. So so doing that, using affirmations helped a lot too.
And you had a candida.
I had candida, so
And you kicked that out.
yeah, the cleanse and restore, all the supplements and everything. Made it easy to do without making huge dietary changes, but just eating cleaner.
Right.
So I didn't feel like I had to string myself to not eat anything or drink disgusting elixirs.
Oh,
or
yes.
do enemas and stuff.
No disgusting foods. So eating clean,
Eating
using
good.
easy supplements, easy cleansing. So how much have you lost after doing the cleanse with me?
So I've lost a total of 14 pounds.
Wow. So
Yeah.
you were on that 10 pounds, now another 14. Now you feel like your digestive system, you're having regular morning movements, everything's flowing.
Yeah.
So what would you tell others, what could they do? What are the top things you would say in your journey help the most?
I'd say the first thing is to develop a spiritual practice so you can be in tune with yourself and what your body needs. Learning how to ask myself, what does my body want to eat? What does it want to do? And just having that full body-mind connection really helps a lot. And then being open to like almost like trying on a new pair of shoes, getting that vision of yourself, saying, you know, what choices would I make if I was 150 pounds, you know?
Like, what does my body truly want if it was 150 pounds, if that was your goal? Like, asking your body, what do you want?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just doing it like I was already there. Like I was like treating my body like a temple. Like it already was, and it already is. And so discovering that helps a lot. And then
changing mindset.
Changing mindset and saying yes to when somebody like you comes into your life and offers tools to help you along even more. It's like that story of the man in a boat stranded in the ocean, and he's praying for God to save him. And but people keep coming by and offering him help, and he says, "No, I'm waiting for God." Right. Like, so those are that was your help. So it all comes in all shapes and sizes, and you just feel it, when people are supporting you, and they come when you're supporting yourself the most. So.
Right. So being open to have guides, being open to change your mindset, and just being overall open with treating yourself like a goddess.
Yes.
Being in the temple of your goddess.
Yeah, and saying the affirmations helps a lot too.
Affirmations, for sure.
One thing I tell myself all the time is I am well, I move freely, it feels good to move, and I make good, healthy choices.
I like that. Yeah. I move, I feel good to move.
We just moved just now
Yes,
doing yoga. It felt good.
Well, thank you for watching. If you want to hear more about others' journeys, go to monicabravo.com, and we will share Heather's website soon.